how to find hide likes. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find hide like settings easy and quick. So first thing all you need to do, like you see, go to your profile on here, click on this lock icon and you will find it, the last one. Tap on it, will take you to this page on Instagram. So here the number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden, and you can hide the number of likes on your posts by going to advanced settings before sharing. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on next one.